Ever wondered who your new neighbor is or wanted to track down the owner of that fixer-upper down the street? Today, we're diving into how to uncover property ownership details using Trulia, a powerful tool for real estate research. First, head to Trulia's website, Trulia.com, and in the search bar, type in the address of the property you're interested in. Make sure you enter the full and correct address for the best results. Once you've located the property, navigate to the Overview tab. This section provides general information about the property, but ownership details aren't always directly displayed here. Scroll down to the Property History section. Here, you might find past sale records which can indirectly hint at the owner's name. Look for deeds or transaction details. Explore the map view as well. Sometimes, Trulia integrates publicly available records that can be overlaid on the map, potentially revealing parcel information and ownership details in certain areas. Keep in mind that Trulia's data is not always 100% accurate or complete, and the availability of information varies by location. Always cross-reference your findings with official county records or a title company for verification. For definitive proof of ownership, visit the website of the county recorder's office where the property is located. You can typically search property records online or visit in person. And that's how you can start your property ownership search using Trulia. Remember to always verify your findings with official sources for accurate and reliable information. Good luck with your property research.